KTC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, already feeling good out there as dew points have dropped into the mid-60s, temperatures in the mid-70s, fair skies, and we're heading for the lower 60s tonight. Meanwhile, top story has been Hurricane Michael. Michael still producing hurricane force winds, the threat of tornadoes tonight across portions of Georgia, perhaps into South Carolina toward daybreak tomorrow. So we'll be watching that closely. In fact, as we take a look at the radar, as it exits the screen, we'll back it up over the last 12 hours and watch landfall just east of Panama City, just the western part of the eye wall going through Panama City, Mexico Beach just to the south, and he's really getting rocked. Big storm surge through the Apalachicola area. Now this system continues to move smartly to the north and east, moving northeast now at about 20 miles an hour. So we're inland across Georgia. Here's Cordell, Georgia. You have Dublin off to the northeast, Macon off to the north. So this system continues to move nicely. Back end of it, starting to see drier air getting into the equation. So not as much of a rain threat, still a wind threat, and this is heading for the Carolinas more than likely as a tropical storm. Now taking a look at some of the wind gusts, if you missed this earlier today, Panama City at the Air Force Base there, gusts to 129, 128, Apalachicola over hurricane force. And then as we went into 2 o'clock this afternoon, near hurricane force winds in Tallahassee, a lot of power outages. In fact, there's likely very little or no power from Panama City, Apalachicola over through the Tallahassee area and then edging into southwestern Georgia. And why do we know that? Because a lot of the reporting stations went down during the course of the storm. And again, you can see on the enhancement where the strongest winds are along and just east of where that center of circulation is at this hour. So here's a 4-day post-mortem of Hurricane Michael. Michael becoming a tropical storm from leftover moisture from Kirk, by the way. Got a lot of oceanic heat content in the northwestern Caribbean, and then the storm managed to really be weighted on the west side, so that sealed off the any shear coming out of the west. And watch the way this thing just bombed out and continued to intensify as it made landfall. It made landfall officially with 155-mile-an-hour winds and a pressure at 919 millibars, which again is the lowest pressure to strike the Gulf Coast ever on record in October, and again, strongest storm to make a landfall in the U.S. since Hurricane Andrew back in 1992. But the days, the hours are limited for Michael to become to stay a hurricane. 75-mile-an-hour winds right now. Should be dropping down to tropical storm strength later on tonight, moving across the Carolinas, then moving out to sea thereafter. As for where the watches and warnings are, I think these hurricane warnings are going to be dropped along the Florida Panhandle, but still in effect across portions of Georgia. And look at the tropical storm warnings all the way up through most of South Carolina, a good part of North Carolina. And we can see why. Look at this. Tropical storm winds will continue across much of South Carolina for tomorrow morning, and then eastern North Carolina as we go into tomorrow afternoon. But then the system moving way out to sea, and still staying a respectable storm, but not a tropical one going out into the North Atlantic. Meanwhile, for us, nice dry air coming in. A nice north breeze, lots of sunshine, wall-to-wall sunshine tomorrow, and it stays that way for Friday as well. High pressure comes in and dominates at least through Saturday, but by Sunday we do think we'll see a return flow coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, so milder temperatures on the way. Near term though, how about this? Upper 50s to lower 60s tonight, then tomorrow upper 70s to lower 80s your high with comfortable humidity, and tomorrow night even better with temperatures dropping down into the low to mid 50s. Yeah, we can open up the windows there, and temperatures upper 70s for your TGIF, and looks good as we head into the weekend. So fall finally arriving, and northwest breeze is going to feel good, especially through tomorrow morning. 61 the low. We'll go 80 the high tomorrow. Incidentally, the high in Lafayette was 89, but there were a few 90s around and about, and we're done with them for a while, hopefully for at least 6 months. And as we go into the weekend, a little bit milder for Sunday, maybe a slight chance of an afternoon shower, but great weather for everything that we have going on with homecoming and then festivals Acadian. And going into next week, look at this. Jackets and sweaters type weather, especially at night and in the morning.
Finally.
Right.
Thanks, Rob.
Still ahead on KTC, Summit Acadiana enjoyed some class hits, and all for a good cause. We'll take you to the American Pie Revisited event at 10:24.
But first, one man makes his case for unanimous juries in Louisiana. His story after the break.